guys, Jez here from nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here with another spotlight on one of our new sweets using the make and takes that I got from on stage. So this is Graceful glass. So here it is in the catalogue. So you get this vellum paper, which is printed on. You get them in 6x6 sheets. You get 24 sheets, and they're all different patterns. And what is great about them is that you can colour them. So there's a piece I've done. So I've coloured it in the new pineapple punch, and yeah, it gives you a nice sort of stained glass effect. I just did that simple. I just followed exactly what the instructions were on the make and take. You also get this stamp set with this lovely sort of gothic font there, and you get a bird, a rose and a butterfly as well. And there are some coordinating dies that do cut out these three elements, and then you've got like stained glass windows and a lovely border as well to go with it. And there is some black cord and some tinted faceted gems as well. So this is the black cord. It's shiny. I don't know if you can see that it's quite shiny, and it's quite cute. I quite like it. So you've got the vellum paper, and it's thick vellum again, like our other vellum. I stamped out the thank you. I chose to do it in black and not in the lipstick pink colour, and then we've got the pineapple punch. So I'm just going to fold this in half. So this is half a sheet of cardstock scored down the centre, folded in half. If I can get my bone folder, which I appear to have not put in. Never mind. There we go. And then this is going to get secured onto here. Can't remember how we secured it, because you do tend to see the glue a little bit. So I'm going to follow the straight line so it doesn't look too bad. Well, this one had a smaller piece, didn't it? Oh well, I'm not doing it like that. There we go. And then I'll trim that edge off a bit. It's really exciting on stage when you get to open the box. It sort of sits there teasing you in the middle of the table, and you're not allowed to open it until they say open it, and you know that in there is lots of new product, and you just want to peek. And then they come around with the little packs with the make and take stuff in it, and then you open the box and all the stamp sets, the inks, the embellishments, and everything's there ready for you to dive in and get making. So I'm going to do a little bow. Now on this one, they've wrapped it around, tied a bow, and on this one the bow's just behind. So I'm gonna do a bow just behind. I might do it at the corner. Yep. Make it slightly smaller. And then stick these down and stick that down there, I think. Yep. Sometimes I do exactly what I'm told, and then other times I think, yeah, do my own thing. I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals. And then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with this bow. Yep, stick it down there, I think. And then I'm going to get some glue dots. And stick that down there. Trying to sort out that stripe that you get on the stained glass. Anyway, so that's that. So that's the painted glass suite. No, Graceful glass suite, painted glasses stamp set. Okay, hope you like that. All the measurements and everything will be over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. And you never know, if you shop with me, you might get this card as a little thank you for shopping with me. And if you use my host code, you'll also get a share of the Stampin' rewards, and I'll send you some free product just for shopping with me. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon.